Welcome back to Digital Dropshipping Mastery. Inside of this video right now, we're going to focus on product description. So let's go ahead, jump into my computer and get started. Writing your product description is going to be helpful for two reasons. Number one, because it's going to help you even better understand your own product, which will help with marketing and stuff moving forward. And number two, it's helpful because it's going to allow for anyone else reading it to understand more about your product and why it's valuable. So this piece of content is actually going to be used for your product page very soon as we continue moving forward throughout this program. And every digital product description should include these three things in one way or the other. And your description does not need to be an essay, but instead just confined information about your product and how it came to be and why it's valuable and why the person reading it should take action. A mistake I see far too often in the e-commerce world is descriptions being super long or super short. So with these three focuses in mind of relatability, social proof, and a call to action, I went ahead and wrote an example for the 7-figure success